TECHNOAPE Mini Desktop 3050 Colorado 2, Laser Cutting and Engraving Machine 40W, 50W. Take your crafting, prototyping, or manufacturing to the next level with the TECHNOAPE Mini Desktop 3050 CO2 Laser Cutting and Engraving Machine, designed for high performance, precision, and ease of use. Compact yet powerful, this desktop laser system offers the perfect combination of industrial-grade capabilities and user-friendly operation, making it ideal for makers, artisans, educators, and small business owners. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, fabric, paper, or rubber, this laser machine delivers clean, smooth, and highly detailed results with every project. Wrench key features and advantages. Checkmark high-efficiency laser tube, 40W, 50W, offers reliable power for deep cutting and delicate engraving with long service life. Produces a strong, stable laser beam for high-quality output. Checkmark precision linear guideway. Imported high-precision linear rails provide fast, accurate, and smooth motion. Ensures strong load capacity, reduced vibration, and enhanced durability for long-term use. Checkmark professional Rueda control system. Advanced digital controller allows for fast data processing, layer-based settings, and high-speed engraving, cutting. Equipped with emergency stop for added safety. Checkmark USB and offline operation. Easily transfer design files via USB and continue projects without needing a constant PC connection. Supports offline work, ideal for standalone or remote operation. Checkmark powerful laser work software. Compatible with major design programs including CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, Photoshop, ArtCut, Tajima, and more. Supports a wide variety of file types: AI, BMP, PLT, DXF, JPG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, etc. Controls speed, power, resolution, and layers for customized processing. Checkmark advanced water cooling system. Circulating water cooling ensures stable operating temperatures, prolonging the lifespan of the laser tube. Checkmark durable optical and mechanical components. Non-spherical focusing lenses and gilded silicon optics resist high temperatures and wear. Dust-proof and lubricated rails enhance performance and extend machine life. Checkmark multi-functional working table. Equipped with professional honeycomb and strip worktables, supporting a variety of materials and processing needs. Checkmark clean and efficient operation. Offers quiet, dust-free, and high-speed processing. Minimal material waste, with smooth cutting edges, no post-polishing needed. Checkmark heavy-duty, compact design. Sturdy frame minimizes vibrations and resists deformation. Transparent glass viewing windows ensure safety while monitoring progress. Briefcase applications. Perfect for laser engraving businesses, custom signage and gifts, industrial part marking, architectural models, education and STEM labs, arts and crafts production. Rocket White. Choose the TECHNOAPE 3050. Multifunctional, cutting, engraving, and scanning in one machine. User-friendly, quick learning curve, professional results. Affordable and efficient. Delivers industrial-level quality at a compact desktop size. Straight ruler specifications. Working area, 300 by 500 mm, 12 inches by 20 inches. Laser power, 40W, 50W Colorado 2, glass tube. Control system, Rueda digital controller. Cooling method, water circulation cooling. Compatible formats, BMP, PLT, DST, DXF, AI, JPG, GIF, PNG, TIFF.